In a week, security agencies have nabbed a bhang worth millions of shillings and arrested the 2 suspects behind the illegal trade. The 2 were arrested in Kayole estate off the Nairobi-Nakuru highway following a sting operation by a multi-security team. Now, according to Naivasha Deputy County Commissioner Josiah Odongo, the 2 suspects managed to flee during last week's raid and rented another house. In the last couple of months, sale of bhang in schools around informal settlements has risen sharply, leading to a sharp drop in class attendance.
We clean our area, Kayole area must be. We have arrested the 2 today with this consignment in a private rented house where they have been doing this business. The house is located in Naivasha within Kayole, and you recall that is the same area we nabbed the previous consignment of bhang worth 2.1 million. The consignment that we have netted is worth $500,000. It's worth $500,000. This is basically processed cannabis sativa.
You're watching News Desk. We'll take a short break. I'll be back shortly with more news updates.